Are you ready to cool down the summer heat? The 2012 line of Senville Ductless air conditioners is not only ready, it's willing and able to. Perfect for keeping your summer days cool and your electricity costs refreshingly low. They're designed to eliminate the need for costly ductwork and time-consuming installation procedures, making them an easy fit into your home or office. And they're environmentally friendly. All units have world-class variable-speed Toshiba inverter compressors installed to help them reach SEER energy efficiency ratings as high as 19, which has earned them certifications from Energy Star and AHRI, and sets them apart as some of the most efficient units in the market today. With cooling capacities ranging from 9,000 to 24,000 BTU, the Senville line of air conditioners is also very capable of bringing the comfort of coolness to every level of your home or business. Additional features include easy-to-clean filters, dehumidification settings, sleep mode, a digital LED screen, a digital multifunction remote. What's more, Senville units can also be set to reverse the cooling cycle, allowing you to use them as heat pumps in outside temperatures as low as 5 degrees Fahrenheit, making them an excellent choice for year-round use in most North American climates. They're also carefully manufactured so that each Senville air conditioner and mini split caters to your comfort indoors. And none of that even mentions the 5-year warranty on compressors and 1-year parts replacement warranty on every single Senville air conditioner that we produce. Our customers can feel as comfortable with the life of their unit as they'll feel with its ability to meet their cooling and heating needs. With summer quickly approaching, there's never been a better time to embrace the warmth of its days by discovering the Senville way of cooling off indoors. For more information, please visit www.senville.com.